going to learn a simple example of alphabet with whiteboard drawing. Please watch the full video, you will enjoy. Let's start the video. A for ant. B for butterfly. C for cup. D for duck. E for egg. F for frog. G for gun. H for horse. I for ink. J for jug. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for rose. S for snake. T for tree. U for universal. V for van. W for watch. X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zoo. I hope you are enjoying it. Please like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. I will bring more videos on different topics. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.